Hi guys! Today we are drawing a corgi. I know many people love this adorable dog, so now you will learn how to draw it. Let's start with the pencil first and go on with the marker later. I'm going to start with a short line for the top of the head, and from these points we're gonna draw ears. Before that, let's mark the spots where ears will finish. Approximately here and maybe here. And now we're gonna draw a line going a little bit to the side, curve it and connect to that spot. And the same from another side. I think that's good enough. From these two spots we are going to draw lines directly down, and lines will be slightly curved. Okay, once we've done that, we are going to extend those two lines and bring them close to each other, like this. And the distance between them will be a little bit shorter than the length of this line. Next we are drawing cute corgi's legs. As you know, corgis have short legs. So we're gonna draw a line slightly curved like that, and the same goes to another side. Another two lines will go like that, and we're going to draw an oval for paws. And same here. Alright, let's put one line here for the belly. Now we are going to draw one more leg here and a tail. Start from one line for the back and part of the leg, and again oval. And here we will add a tail. And we can draw an inside of the ears, little fluffy part. One line here, one up, and mimicking the first line, and one here. And I will leave a little bit gap here, but you can close it if you want. And the same for another side. Fluff, line up, line down, and up. Alright, we have a face left, and we are going to start with the nose. Nose will be a little bit triangular shape, but rounded. Add an oval highlight, two eyes, again oval shapes, and a cute smiley mouth. Start from here, go to one side and another. Next we are drawing the tongue. It looks like we are going to draw a heart shape here, but down part will be just an oval. Here we will finish the mouth by connecting mouth and the tongue, like so. I think I can make sides a little bit wider, just tiny bit. And now I am going to go on with the marker. Let's trace all the lines. It looks great, and once we're done here, we can finish the line work by adding all the small details, like this short line on the tongue. We will add highlights in the eyes. Okay, we can fill in the nose as well. And now it starts to look like a cute puppy. Fix the highlight a bit. And let's add curved lines for the paws, 2 for each leg. Let's draw 2 lines under the eyes, like our puppy is smiling. And the last thing we are doing with the marker is filling the mouth. Now let's erase all the pencil lines. Alright guys, before I start coloring, I would like to help myself and mark places for cheeks, eyebrows, and white spots on the fur. Okay guys, now our puppy started to look like Corgi already, but I can't wait to see the final result. I will speed up the process of coloring. Please feel free to pause anytime that you need to catch up. Alright guys, here is our super cute Corgi. I hope you will not stop here and you will add even more details to this drawing. For example, you can add a cute bandana or a yummy treat. I would like to hear from you if your Corgi turned out cute and lovely. Many thanks for watching my video and see you next time. Bye bye!